Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Makeup Monday or Get Cute with Me. Because this is me in all my glory. I'm going to try to make this zit disappear. Okay, we start out with my e.l.f. Cordless Putty Primer. I've been using this for about 5 or 6 weeks now. And I haven't even made a dent in it, hardly. Put none on this zit. I got my acne medicine on it. Okay, it's supposed to set for 30 seconds. And while it's setting, I'm going to put on my concealer by Maybelline. It looks like that. I have it in the color tan. What is that noise? My mirror. I'm getting all that socket. They used to call me raccoon in school. I've always had dark circles around my eyes. That's what it did too. That's good. I'll put this stuff up as I use it. Put it in a bag. Okay. Now, I'm going to use this for the concealer. Blend it in best as possible. That's good. Now I'm going to use my Revlon Color Stay 24-hour foundation in the color Caramel, 400 Caramel. Just going to use a sponge wedge. I got all these brushes, but I keep going back to the wedge. Oh, I'm putting on 2 pumps. And I have on my makeup apron. Okay. I have to look at this mirror. Try not to make this so long. Trying. Go over the eyebrows. Go over all these moles and freckles and hickle and jekyls and all that. I need to put on some blush. I had been looking for this blush from one of my honeys. Several of my honeys told me where I can find it. It's the Starry Triple Blush Palette. It looks like that. And I really like this first color here. Using this angled brush. That's that. Now I'm going to use the finishing powder. Soft Focus finishing powder by Black Radiance. Creamy bronze finish. I have 3 colors. I have one lighter than this and one darker than this. So I'm right in the middle. Do something to these lips. I always use a lip balm. I'm gonna put my lip color on. I'm using the Ofra. I think it's Havana Nights. It's almost gone. And it's cost so much. I haven't bought any more. Okay, I'm going to do some with these eyebrows. I'll be using this colored edges, the black colored edges. It's for my edges. But I accidentally used it on my eyebrows one day, and I like it. I'm using this little bitty brush. I don't know what kind of brush it is, but it works. I'm using my pizza palette by Glam Light. And today I'll be using the stinky colors. I'm going to use red onions, garlic, and meatballs. Right there. Okay, here's the brush. Okay, I like to start with my light color first. I guess this will work. So I'm going to start with the garlic. I like that pineapple color. It's pretty. Ooh, look like somebody beat me up. claim to be no makeup artist, y'all. Okay, where's that? I'm gonna use this brush to brush this stuff away. And try to blend it. Move that. It's on the paper towel. And do the other one. I don't know how this is coming across on camera, but woo! I'm gonna put some lighter color in the right in the corners of the eye. Okay, I'm gonna use the. I want to use the pineapple. Or should I use extra cheese? I'm gonna use the pineapple right here. Here's the extra cheese, but I'm gonna use pineapple. Brush some of that away. Cause that ain't me. This big. Yes, I can do. Now I'm gonna use my eyeliner. This kind of dough color. It's called dough color eyeliner. I got it from Amazon. Now I'm gonna put on what's the name of this stuff? Thrive Liquid Lash Extensions. I got it from the Thrive website, Thrive Cosmetics. I'm using the Lime Crime red because I can't read the color, but it's red. Somebody wanted to know what lipstick I used when I wear my mask and the mask don't rub this off. It's the Lime Crime on top of the Ofra. They're both lip stains. So the mask ain't gonna rub this off. Ofra, long-lasting liquid lipstick by Ofra. And this here, Lime Crime. Fix my hair. Fluff this out some. Fluff it out. Okay, this is the best I can do. So, right now I'm as cute as I can be. So I want to thank you all for watching. Oh, this is a long time. Wow. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, I'm trying to see MzBrazell. This is a shirt that Charlotte blessed me with a while ago. MzBrazell. It has an air fryer on the front, and I don't want to look down to see what's on it, because I'll get makeup on it. I don't want to do that. Okay. Bye.